Hello, Mrs. Renfro here. This is a tutorial of how to access your formatives, your Performance Matters formatives, what you're needing to do every week. As you guys remember, a couple of weeks ago, I told you you were going to be taking some formatives every week for me. Well, I'm trying to put it in your workbook to make it a little bit easier for you so you know exactly what you need to be doing every week and so you're not having to check your email and it's all in one place. So this is an example student's workbook, and I know you guys check this every week for your pacing and your PLP, all that fun stuff. But I have added a tab in here and it's called your Performance Matters Checklist. Excuse me. So this checklist has all of the formatives for the year. I know that's a lot, and this is for a third grade student. It'll look different for each grade level, but this particular one is for a third grade student. And you guys know, if you've been with Epic, this used to be called, these formatives were in Mastery Connect. So this is not a new thing. It's just a new platform and a new way of doing it. So what you would do for every week, you would come to your Performance Matters checklist and you would look and see what you've already done so far. So these have been highlighted. Looks like the student has already done it. Well, they haven't done this one yet, but looks like they've already done 3.2.R.1 for ELA. And I know that because they have it checked and they have it colored. So if you look at the key over here, if they received 80 to 100%, they're going to go color it green. If they receive 60%, they're going to color it yellow, and below 60%, they will color it red. So every week you're going to hop on here, you're going to look at what you need to do, and as you get them done in Schoology, and if you don't remember how to do these in Schoology, I will attach this tutorial as well in this email, just to remind you how to get there. But you'll go to Schoology, go to Performance Matters Assessments, and then you will go to whatever subject it is that you're working on. So for this subject, this is ELA. If this student, as this student finishes it, she will come, place a check mark, and color code it based on her score. So at the end of your assessment, you should receive a score. And so if I've got, let's say the student, she got 100% on this, or 80%. So she's going to come up here to the little paint can and color it green. So whenever Mrs. Renfro comes and checks, she can go, oh, okay, yeah, she did great on that. That's not a standard that we need to go over anymore. And then if you get yellow or red, that will let Mrs. Renfro know that we'll need to go back and cover that standard, and that's not a big deal. So every week I will highlight these for you so you know what you need to be working on. I will verify on my end the score, and we'll just continue trucking through. You guys are doing awesome. You'll do this for math and ELA. Science is not required, so I'm not going to make it a requirement of you guys this year unless you would like to have these assigned. In that case, I will be happy to, you can use this checklist to go through it, see what you know for science. So that's all I needed today. If you have any questions about this or aren't sure how to access your workbook, please make sure you let me know and I will hop on a Zoom call, or during one of our meetings, I will help you with that. So again, this is an expectation of Epic, and I really appreciate that you guys are taking the time to learn all of this new stuff and do it with me because it's new to me. So have a great day, and I will talk to you soon.